Yes, it's a Blue Monday. Cheers to all sport lovers and the dedicated pundit of the beautiful game. How are you? I hope it's fine and staying safe. I have a good news to share with you, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. In a moment that will be etched in Kaizer Chiefs' proud history, Coach Nasruddin Mohamed Nabi delivered silverware in his debut season, leading the club to a Timboth Nedbank Cup victory. The Amakos faithfully roared with pride as their team egged out arch rivals Orlando Pirates 2-1 in a pulsating Soweto Derby final, securing their 14th Nedbank Cup title, the most by any South African club. It wasn't just the final that impressed. The Chiefs battled through a memorable cup journey, overcoming free agent Chippa United and the title favorites Mamelodi Sundowns Masandawana before claiming the crown. Among the many who led Nabi's tactical brilliance was a club legend, Dr. Khumalo. Speaking after the final whistle, he praised the coach's strategic nose, especially in high-stakes clashes against Sundowns and the Pirates. In both of those matches, Khumalo shared in his post-match interview, you could see the team had a different mindset and structure. Even after conceding against Sundowns, they rose to the occasion, and today was no different. Reflecting on early stages of the final, Khumalo noted a distinct shift in Chiefs' mentality. Just a few minutes into the first half, you could tell this wasn't the same as the last week. The players dug deep, they played with heart. Khumalo also expressed his joy for the club's long-term chairman, Kaizer Motaung. I know the chairman must be smiling. He's waited so long to see trophy return to Naturena. This moment is for him, for the players, and for most important, for the fans. And with that, a new era might just be dawning at Kaizer Chiefs. One beauty, belief, strategy, and silverware. Do you have any comment or suggestion concerning to Kaizer Chiefs crown with victory of the Nedbank Cup final under the managerial guidance of Nasruddin Mohamed Nabi? Please write a little bit on the box section below.